And today we're going to learn about functions. So functions. Functions, do you know functions in mathematics? Yeah, it's like a magic box where you put like stuff put stuff in and it does something and then that puts something out. Just like mathematics. And in just like in mathematics, you can also put multiple stuff in. You can put, x and y, and it can print out f of x of y. And you can add as much input and as much output as you want. And they can have one or more inputs and outputs, and they can also have no inputs and outputs. This is called a void type. We will look at an example in here. Yeah, so this is a basic syntax of how a function would look like. You would have this would be the return type. This will be what type the output of that magic box would be. Here goes the types of the inputs you could put in the magic box. In this case, void refers to there's nothing, like void, null, there's like nothing. So in this case, this function does not return, it doesn't give you anything at the end of the function, and it also doesn't take anything in this function. And this is the name of the function. The name of the function is print hello, and we have brackets here, like curly brackets here to indicate that this is the body of the function. And when a function is called, it goes through the body like in order and executes the code line by line. In this example, it just has one single line saying printf, and it would just print f hello. Yep, it's like a block structure, and in this case, it doesn't return a value. Did everything make sense so far?
Can you explain like the last slide again?
Yeah. What about this was confusing?
Like the void part.
Okay. Like instead of void, you could like put anything else. Like if you want this to return, like the magic box to give a integer type, I can just write int instead. Or it can be bool, or it can be like float, string. It can be whatever you want to like print out. But instead of writing that, a void indicates that it's not going to give you anything else. It doesn't return a value.
So would it print nothing?
Let's imagine like a magic box. If we have a function like int sum, and it's a function, then a integer variable goes in here. Like if I have int, a here, then a goes in here. Then what comes out is an integer because we've indicated here. But in this case, it says void, right? What this means is that it's a box, but we don't put anything in it, and it would just do stuff here. And this stuff is the body of the function, and then it won't give you anything back out.
Oh, okay.